सोच रहा हूँ मार्केट में इन्वेस्ट करूँ। शायद ऊपर जाएगा। अगर नीचे गया तो? नहीं भाई, रिस्क नहीं। एक बार उससे सलाह ले ही लेता हूँ। हेलो, मार्केट बढ़ेगा क्या?
इस बार मुझे लगता है गिरेगा।
नहीं भाई, मुझे तो लगता है बढ़ेगा।
अरे सिचुएशन देख, गिरेगा लगता है और पक्का गिरेगा।
अरे अरे, लड़ो मत। आपको समझना है ना मार्केट गिरेगा या बढ़ेगा, तो ये वीडियो पूरा देखो, आपको सब समझ में आएगा। 2020 was the year which was very challenging. Many things changed, right? From our lifestyle to our habits, our focus towards saving for future, our passive income source, health insurance and many more. Not only this, stock market was also badly affected by the pandemic. The collapse of stock prices in March 2020 marks one of the biggest stock market crash in the history. In spite of losses, the indices which is Sensex and Nifty witnessed a sharp recovery and turned positive towards the end of the year. The recovery of the market is due to many factors, like there was a significant jump of foreign capital. Indian FDI inflows grew by 81% in November 2020. Corporate profits also rose by 15% to touch all-time high in September. However, in 2021, half year has passed away and India is again seeing a rise in COVID cases with almost 4 lakh cases daily, which is an alarming factor. Stock market has already shown the impact and opened in red amid a complete lockdown in Maharashtra and other states. This market crash has triggered worries of a scenario like last year when nationwide lockdown had left the stock market plummeting around 40% in a span of 2 weeks. The situation in India raises fear of another stock market crash among the investors. Firstly, let's understand the factors that can affect. Stock market is dynamic in nature. It is considered to be risky investment option because of fluctuating price. One cannot predict the future performance of stock market. On the other hand, many of the investors earn good return by investing in stock market. So, what to do now? Should you invest or not? Before making any decision, one need to have complete knowledge about why stock market is so dynamic and what impacts the stock market so much that they keeps on fluctuating the price. The answer for these two questions is factors that affects the stock market. Let's discuss them. The first and foremost thing which affect is government policies. Mainly government policies has a huge effect on the profits of the business. Government policies such as changes in regulation, changes in taxation, changes in interest rate or capital expenditure by the government have a huge influence on the individual company as well as their stock price. A good example for this will be Budget 2021. In this, the government focused on the healthcare sector and was the first sector which was discussed by the government. They made huge expenditure on development of healthcare sector. This decision positively impacted the stock price. Second factor is changes in regulatory policy of SEBI and changes in monetary policy of RBI. RBI is the apex body which regulates the monetary policy of India. Any increase or decrease in repo rate or reverse repo rate impacts the stock price. If RBI raises the key rate, it reduces the liquidity in the banks, which means that whenever banks need some cash, they borrow it from RBI. But RBI doesn't lend money for free. They charge us some interest rate. For instance, let's say RBI charges 4% repo rate from banks, and if they change the repo rate that is from 4% to 6%, then to earn profits, bank will lend money to the customer at higher interest rate, that may be 11%. If interest rates are high, then it could be expensive for the customer to take loan and hence profit of the banks will be affected. Similarly, any changes in regulatory policy will affect the stock price. The third factor is exchange rate. Exchange rate is the price of one currency in terms of another currency. Exchange rate keeps on changing. But how does this affect the stock market? Wait, let me explain. When rupee hardens in respect to other currency, it causes Indian goods to become expensive in foreign market. The companies depends on exports will experience a drop in demand for their goods in abroad. Thus, the revenue will decrease and also the stock price. On the other hand, when rupee becomes soft, in this case, imports will be expensive and stock price of the exports will rise. The fourth factor is interest rate. Interest rate also impacts the stock market. Whenever the interest rate goes up, banks will increase the lending rate. The increase in interest rate will be expensive for business and individuals. This will create an impact on the profit level of the business and in turn affects the stock price. The fifth factor is FIIs. Foreign institutional investors have a huge impact on stock market. We have also seen the impact of FII on stock market in 2020. The entry of FII will positively impact the stock market, whereas the exit will have a negative impact on the stock market. Last year when markets were crashed, this was one of the reasons for the bounce back of the market. The future of Indian stock market depends upon some of the factors. Let's see those. The first factor is, as we are in FY 2021, half year has passed away. Two things will drive the market from here on. The pace of vaccination will have a crucial importance as it will provide economic growth recovery. It is also expected that for FY 2022, the growth in Nifty EPS are running high at 30% growth rate, which is a positive sign. The second factor is rupee dollar exchange rate. Market participants say that the rupee may hit level of 77 to 78 in the coming year. This will affect the foreign investors. Imports will be costlier, and if imports are expensive, then the price of goods will rise. Profit of the business will be affected. The third factor is FDI, which is foreign direct investors. Indian stock market has been positively affected by FDIs. This trend will likely continue as we pencil in growth in double digit in fiscal year 2022 after a small contraction in this year. High global liquidity, low bond yield will push global investors to seek alternative destination for higher return. India's growth prospects will also depend largely on how COVID-19 evolves. There is also a further expectation of improvement due to the rollout of vaccine program across the country. However, the worried factor is renewed surge in COVID-19 cases. Here comes the end part. Stock price of the company may rise or fall due to many factors. Ideally, investors should have a solid allocation strategy, that too for long term. After a thorough understanding of the above factors, it will ensure that the investors make the right investment decision and generate good returns in the long run.